Back with another video. This video is for Google Pixel 6 users and whoever facing the problem in the Google Pixel 6, the problem that is fingerprint not working and call drops while they are keep continuously calling or making or discussing on the call. So why you are getting or facing this problem in the Google Pixel 6? So first of all, fingerprint not working, that is really a big problem. While you are not interested to use the password, instead you just put the fingerprint and it's log on. Okay, another is fingerprint problems, that is quick fix first. Re-enroll your fingerprint. How you can do in the Google Pixel 6, that is really simple. Follow up the Google setting apps icon and then security options and then fingerprint unlock. First of all, you need to delete your first fingerprint that already inserted in the Google Pixel 6 and then you need to re-add another one while this right hand fingerprint or the left hand thumb up. Okay, another is clean the sensor. First of all, you can use the tissue to clean the sensors or any other options. You can easily clean, and also you should clean your finger. So how you can do oil moisturizer or case must failure. So another is try a slower, deliberate and press instead of a quick tap. So you have to do wait patient and that is will help you in the fixing the problems or the okay. Another is if still failing and you are facing the problem again and again, you need to follow up the go to setting apps icon and then security area and then pixel imprint and add the same fingerprint 2 to 3 times for a better recognition. Let me disclose my laptop screen to you and you can easily understand what the issues and problems. What the issue? Let's understand to the screen. Okay, here you can see another is if still failing, remove thick or texture screen protector. They block the under display sensor. Restart your phone. Restart is really a better and recommended option for your phone and you are still facing the problems and issues. There is a cache problems and other is a data issue. So restart will help you to make your phone fully fresh. Another is check for system update. Follow up the setting icon and then setting updates. Google patched fingerprint issue in several updates. And how you can fix call drops. Basic steps is toggle airplane mode on for a 10 seconds then off. Reset radio connections, setting up icon and then network and internet. Follow up the SIM area, then toggle your SIM off and back on. Manually select your network setting and network and internet SIM. Prefer network type. Try switching between 5G and LTE. Okay, how you can fix deeper fixes. Deeper fix really most for the users who are still facing and problems and misunderstanding the issues. So they can understand properly while reset network setting. Then follow up the how you can reset your network setting. Follow up the setting icon, then systems, then follow up the reset options and reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Okay, if the issue is with the specific app like WhatsApp or the Facebook, so you can say or YouTube versus regular calls, update carrier setting if it's prompt. Okay, and remove and reset your SIM card. Try a different SIM card to test your SIM in another phone to roll out a carrier issue. Okay, what the story you have understood and easily there is options and you can resolve out yourself as well as because currently I have not this device Google Pixel 6 physically to make a unique tutorial by doing the options physically and fixing the issues. If nothing works, suppose if nothing works for you while fixing the Google Pixel 6, then other options do you have? You need to understand. I already discussed all the issues one by one and step by step. What if nothing works again? Supposing, imagine. Then do you have any backup problem, any backup plan, like plan 1 to plan B? No options. Then you need to option. Let me show you, let me discuss, let me share with you one plan, that is reset your Factory. Factory reset your Google Pixel 6. That is the plan B. If all the options I mentioned, nothing works for you. If imagine, if you try all options, nothing works, then you have to do Factory reset. That is the plan B. Okay. For Factory reset, I will make a unit tutorial, fully guidelines, one by one and step by step. Okay, for Factory reset, I will mention what the basic things to advanced things, like backup first and other things. What the problem in the radio box, other issues, Google contact support, or your carrier problems, and another connectivity just really disappointed you when fixing the issues. Just all for now. We'll meet in another video. Thank you so much for watching.